What is happening, folks? This is Eli with ehtutorials, and today I actually want to show you how to set up your mobile hotspot Wi-Fi on your Android phone. To get started, all you really have to do is go to your settings here. From the setting, all you really have to do is type in hotspot or mobile hotspot, and it'll show up on your search. Touch the hotspot and tethering option that you're going to see there. On the next screen, you're going to touch it once again, and that's going to take you right to the setting. From here, all that you really need to do now is click on Wi-Fi hotspot. That's going to take you to the page where all the settings are, and you want to click on hotspot name. And just literally type in whatever you want. You can type in the name. I usually type, phones Wi-Fi, or you can be creative and just put your name. A lot of people do different things. It really is your choice at the end of the day. This is what you're gonna see when you try to connect your laptop to the Wi-Fi. So make sure that you know that this is what it's gonna say. If you put phones on Wi-Fi, you can put your name, whatever you want to put in. It really is up to you at the end of the day. Now we're gonna type in the password. You can actually pick whatever password you want to write. I mean, if you want to put a letter into it, you can put it. A lot of people just put numbers. But it really depends on you. They do have a requirement, I believe, of 8 characters. So you want to type in whatever you can remember. You can put a birthday. You can put somebody's name. Whatever you want to do. It should be pretty easy for you to put whatever you want to put in there. And that's going to be the password that you're going to use once you try to connect from your laptop, and it's going to ask you for a password. The next thing that you want to do is click on the off button on top and make it into on. That's going to enable your Wi-Fi so you can connect using your laptop. It's a pretty easy process. I'm going to disable it from here. That way I can show you how to actually enable it from your home screen on your Android or Android phone. To enable your Wi-Fi from your Android's home screen, all you really have to do is swipe down, and swipe down once again. You're going to see a menu here on the right side. You're going to see hotspot. Make sure to touch that, and that will enable your Wi-Fi that you have just set up. It's a pretty easy process. I hope that this tutorial worked out for you and it helped you out. Be sure to like this video and share it with your friends that are having difficulties setting up their mobile hotspot on their Android phone. Signing off, this is Eli. Take care, folks.